die right
No
away.
problem. I understand. Yeah. Yeah, it's okay. Give it some time. Yeah, sounds like a diesel. Sounds like my car.
I told him, no, it's normal. No, it's not normal. I know what it should be.
Yep. Alright, good. Just kill it. Shut it off. Hey guys, welcome back to VITO'S Garage. Thank you so much for watching. Thanks for tuning in. And in this video, we're actually going to talk about this BMW E30 that most of you have seen the video that I uploaded of this car before and its problem. And as you guys saw in the previous video, is this car has a pretty big problem. You know, it has a worn out camshaft and rockers, and the cylinder head looks terrible inside under the valve cover just because of lack of maintenance. So in this video, we're actually going to try and change the oil on it and see if that horrible ticking noise is going to be better, or it's going to be gone at all or not. But I'm pretty sure it's not going to be gone just because of what you've seen. If you haven't seen that video, be sure to check it out in the description box. And long story short, we're actually going to change this oil because the owner is going to drive it until he actually gets a different cylinder head. So the car is still drivable. It's pretty noisy, but you know, it sounds like a diesel, but it's still drivable. So we're just going to change the oil, and he's going to drive it for a while until he gets you know, other parts for this car. And in the same time, you know, after changing the oil, we're gonna actually see if that ticking is gonna be any better or not. So stay tuned. It is. Okay. There you go. Let it drain out. Now, what I want to do is put something right there for the oil filter.
A few moments later.
So I don't know, depending how close it was from the oil change, it is kind of a little dirty.
Yeah, a little bit. Yeah.
Because
it's at the bottom of the oil pan, so you can't really tell, you know.
Yeah. Surprise!
Mess of a mess. Looks like, yeah, you know, they did suspension on this car.
Yeah, I saw that.
This is a newer, the tie rods, inner and outer, that's pretty good.
Yeah.
Sway bar links were done.
Oh, they were?
Yeah, they look pretty fresh, but I'm gonna check them again once I do the brakes.
Yeah, I definitely do not trust whatever the suspension is.
Yeah.
I'm thinking I'm probably gonna buy some BC coilovers.
That'd be nice. Actually, yeah, the suspension, I think it was refreshed. I don't know, springs, but I think they're just they're not like lowering, you know, springs or anything, but they're just regular. Yeah, KYBs actually are not bad. They're pretty good. Yeah, but definitely what I would do in your case is grab that fluid film. It's my method of actually saving, you know, the bodies and stuff, is just to spray everything. You can use a fluid film, just spray even the quarter panels like that, you know. Yeah. And that keeps them like preserved and everything. It's nice. Yeah, these are brand new.
Yeah, the backs are good.
Yeah.
Horrible.
Oh, it's gonna. You can drip like that for like 10 hours, you know. So I mean, it's pretty actually cleared up right now. And just always remember that whenever you change oil, there's still some oil that's gonna be inside the oil pan. But as you can see, this is your oil pan gasket, like the main one. They like to leak a lot. Right here, yeah, get in here. So this is your oil pan gasket, goes all the way around. It's like kind of like almost like a square, and then they like to leak, but maybe they changed it at some point.
It's not a nice cool little O2 sensor right there.
Oh yeah, they actually have, I think, just one sensor that they have.
See what I'm saying though, what it is?
Oh, that's okay. Mobile 1 is good, yeah.
That's awesome. I don't know why most people freak out on these cars.
They use the regular Walmart frame over there. You will see the old filter.
Is that the one they use?
Yeah. Filter's filter, you know, as long as it works. Yeah, obviously, you know, it's better to use a good brand filter, but it's still a filter. Just a little bit on the O-ring.
And everyone's like, to be honest, it's not worth it. Most likely you won't even be able to beat a Civic, a stock Civic with a turbo kit.
Yeah. It's crazy.
You have a better chance of swapping it with like an M50, M52.
You said 5.4 usually? That's what it
No,
takes?
4.5 or
4.5?
4.75.
Should be one bottle then.
How many is in that?
This one has probably around 4 something quarts.
470.
Shit.
I'll have a little.
There.
Hey, if you want some photos of you working on a car, I can, because I have my camera. It'll be good for like photos for
Kind of feel like
advertisement.
I'm really dirty today.
Hey, that's good though, because I mean, it's showing that you're that you're working. You don't want to be clean, then you're not doing anything.
I appreciate it.
Yeah. Probably once we start the breaks, I'll probably bring my camera and get some, because I can get some cool photos.
That's cool.
Yeah. So
That's awesome.
One eternity later.
Let's see. You have an oil, make sure oil light is off. That's good, let's see.
oh, okay. So that's on until I drive.
Really? Until you drive?
Until I drive.
That's bad. I did that. Alright.
It could have been YouTube.
Just making sure no leaks. Try to give it some.
See,
oh,
just
now it
like
goes
that.
away. So it could be the issue could be I don't know. It just could be either or. It could be a problem. I don't think it's really a sensor. It could be the reason why like your engine's like really like sludgy and stuff. So maybe some of that oil like doesn't go to your like oil pressure sensor, you know, and maybe that's why. But at least now it went away. So yeah.
It goes on, but once I start driving, it goes away.
Okay. Okay.
If I'm gonna put it in gear and on gas, it goes away.
I understand. That was me. I was just trying to see if it's spraying oil, but it is spraying oil, so that's good.
So